Work anywhere, anytime, on your smartphone or on your laptop through online marketing. That is what I love. You know, many a times you will not feel like working in the morning, then you can work in the afternoon. You will not feel like working neither the morning or the afternoon. What can you do instead? You can work during the evenings. You know, you writing your own schedule. You work whenever you feel like working. If you feel like spending quality time with family, friends, or whoever, or doing whatever you prefer doing, your hobbies, for example, playing soccer, going to the gym, writing, reading, you can do so round about a schedule of a 2-hour work day through you documenting videos, building your brand, number one, people getting to know, like, and trust you, you working on social media, on your smartphone, which is a leverageable strategy. That is what I love about online and digital marketing. You are only focused on productive tasks that gets you results, generating leads, converting leads into sales. Number two, you're having a program that does most of the heavy lifting work for you, a done for you program whereby you do not need to be tech savvy. Believe me, I suck at tech 100%. If you want this system, comment ready, and I'll see you in the inside.